What kind of forklift is good now? Let's go and have a look. Flexible body. Appearance fashion. In small space, easy to drive. Fast speed up to 16 km/h. High torque motor, acceleration faster, more flexible. Big load, climbing slope can reach 20%. High strength H-door frame, lifting more stable. No fear of bad working environment, safe and reliable. Integrated casting, high strength steering bridge, smaller turn radius, more flexible. MYZG lithium battery forklift is your best choice.